Having trouble launching CS2 because it's stuck on a black screen? No worries. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix that. Let's jump right in and get your game up and running smoothly. Solution 1. Verify and repair CS2. Begin by clicking on the system tray icon, then right-click on Steam and choose Exit Steam. Once it's closed, open the File Explorer, then navigate to your C drive. Next, open the Program Files x86 folder, then the Steam folder. After that, go to the User Data folder and then the folder with the numbers. From here, delete the 730 folder and close the window. Next, reopen Steam. Go back to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Then click on Installed Files. Now click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button and Steam will start verifying and repairing the game. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Use launch options. First, open up Steam, then navigate to your library. Next, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 in the game list on the left side and select Properties. After that, type in -autoconfig in the launch option and close the window. Now, check if the game launches. If not, try typing in -window space -w space 1920 space -h space 1080 in the launch options and see if that helps. Solution 3. Turn on compatibility mode for Counter-Strike 3. Start by opening Steam, then go to your library. Next, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and hover over Manage and then select Browse Local Files. Then open the game folder, then the bin folder. Next, navigate to the Win64 folder. Now right-click on the CS2 executable and select Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab, then check the box for Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Next, choose Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now check if the issue persists. Solution 4. Update your graphics driver. Method 1. Update your graphics driver via Windows Update. Open Settings, then click on Windows Update. Next, click on Check for Updates. Windows will update any outdated drivers including your graphics driver. Method 2. Update from Device Manager. To do this, type Device Manager in the search box and open it. Then expand Display Adapters. Now right-click on your graphics card name. Next, select Update Driver. After that, click on Search Automatically for updates. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if updates are available. Once done, close the tab. Method 3. Download from manufacturer's website. For this one, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website. Then download and select the latest download. Next, reboot your computer. The issue should be resolved. That's how you can fix the black screen issue in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.